Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today we are going to trade with support and resistance levels. Here, yes, market gave up, but market will reverse. It's too fast. But if I see rejection from this 200 EMA, I'll place call option. Rejection, yes, I will place call option. Yes, I place my trade call option because you see rejection after breakout. Market rejected from this 200 EMA because here is very strong area. You see strong bias. Here is strong support and resistance. After breakout, market rejects. Then I place my trade call option. You see strong bias entry. So let's check another area. So here you see downtrend, strong breakout of this Bollinger. Yes, and this candle is like a swishing candle, so I'm not trusting these candles. Yes, market has reached my alert area. You see, yes, here it's nice area. Very nice area. I will place put option. Yes, I place put option this area because this area is very strong. You see strong sellers entry. You see, and the overall trend is down, and you can see, let me draw the channel so that you will see. Here you can see the movement, the momentum of the market. You see here, you see here, this is the momentum direction. So you should expect the market now to reach this area, because you see, even though market has lost momentum because of this bias entry, but there is still momentum on the trend. So if you are doing continuation, so if you see reaction from this area, you can place put option. Market will go more down to reach this level. So now I'm trading support and resistance. That's why I will not trade continuation. I would have placed continuation trade. So let's check another support and resistance. Let's check another one. You see here it's exhaustion candle, so that's why I didn't take my trade. You see this level, few buy sellers at this level, so that's why I know it's not so easy. But here is not so nice. So in this type of market, this is the only good area to trade, here and here. But you see market reverse, but not sure. This type of market is tricky. Yes, market can reverse from this You see rejection. So market may reverse here from this Bollinger. First reversal at 1 deviation, second at 2 deviation. Sorry, first reversal at 2 deviation, second reversal at 1 deviation. So I'll place put option. I know market will reverse from this level. That's why I place my trade put option. You see market rejected from this Bollinger, reverse, and here will create peg breakout of this white Bollinger, this one deviation. So that's why I place my trade put option. And this candle is weak candle, this candle, because it has the same upper and lower shadow. So even though market is doing some panic, I know definitely sellers will enter. They will create red candle, because this is the sellers area as well. You see strong sellers entry, because this level is nice. So that's why I place my trade put option. So we have 5 seconds for, you see, close in the money. So the next candle will go more down. So this is the end of this video. This support and resistance trading. So you see here, I took total 3 trades. All are winning trades on support and resistance. Even though market is not so nice, you see the movement of the market. So in this situation, you have to be very, very careful, because not all support and resistance is working in this type of situation. So you can see support and resistance, it will not work. So in this situation, you have to be careful, and you have to know where market will reverse. You see here, this market is supposed to reverse from this level, but you see it's going up. So anytime, try to identify. I'm coming, let me. So you see now market is reversing. This area is supposed to create strong red candle, but you see, because of the situation of the market, too much wicks and market is not nice. That's why you see still it created red candle, but now it's reversing. So this, the candle I took trade, is supposed to be very strong one. So but no problem. So anytime you are trading in this type of market, as I was telling you, try to identify strongest level, otherwise it will not work. All this type of level, like here you see market come, you see here this is level, but market did a reverse break another level. You see market break it, here is another level, you see, but this one work. So many level will not work at this, in this situation, you see. And here you see another one, market break it. So anytime, try to identify before you take trade, see the reaction of the running candle on the level before you take any trade. See the reaction, you know, it show you, it can give you clue that maybe sellers or buyers will enter. So try to identify, otherwise you will be failing, you will be losing, because any type of this market is bad. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share and comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.